Breaking news. One dog, one sneeze, and a moment that will change history forever. And the legs, the legs, shaking like he's performing at America's Got Talent. Was he dancing? Was he buffering? We may never know. He sneezed so hard, I thought the Wi-Fi disconnected. The ground shook. My soul left my body. This wasn't just a sneeze. This was an earthquake. But then, oh no, he squeezed himself between the couch cushions. I cried. I prayed. And somehow, he emerged like a hero from the shadows. If this legendary funny dog made your day 1% better, do the heroic thing. Like this video and subscribe before